Sundarban Wildlife Photography Tips and Tricks. Have you ever dreamed of capturing the majestic Bengal tigers and elusive wildlife of the Sundarbans on camera? This video reveals the secrets of professional photographers, sharing their expert tips and tricks to help you bring your wildlife photography dreams to life. Want to take your wildlife photography to the next level? Join us on a journey to the Sundarbans, where we'll unlock the techniques and strategies used by professional photographers to capture the breathtaking beauty of this unique ecosystem. There's more to wildlife photography than just pressing the shutter button. This video delves into the world of Sundarbans photography, showcasing the hidden techniques that transform ordinary shots into stunning masterpieces. Essential equipment for Sundarbans photography. Discuss essential camera gear, including camera bodies, lenses, and tripods, specifically suited for wildlife photography in the Sundarbans. They explain the importance of choosing lenses with appropriate focal lengths for capturing distant animals and close-ups. They emphasize the role of sturdy tripods and camera stabilization techniques for capturing clear shots in challenging environments. Tips and techniques for successful shots. Share essential tips for composition, including rule of thirds, leading lines, and negative space to create visually compelling images. Highlight the importance of patience, observation, and anticipating animal behavior to capture spontaneous moments. Introduce the use of camouflage, hides, and other techniques for approaching wildlife discreetly and minimizing disturbance. Post-processing and sharing your images. Discuss the importance of post-processing techniques for enhancing image quality, adjusting exposure, and sharpening details. Explain how to showcase your Sundarbans photography on social media and online platforms, engaging with viewers and sharing your passion for this ecosystem. Encourage viewers to explore the Sundarbans responsibly and prioritize ethical wildlife photography practices.